The Iberian pig is a symbol of the rich gastronomic tradition and the deep connection between nature and culture in Spain, which is why it has become an ingrained culinary and cultural icon in the Iberian Peninsula. The history of the Iberian pig dates back centuries, when the indigenous populations of the Iberian Peninsula raised pigs in their rural communities. These pigs were notable for their adaptability to the environment and their ability to utilize the available natural resources, which included acorns, a crucial component of their diet.
Hello, my name is Jamie Hidalgo, and we are at El Campillo, an Iberian pig farm located in Constantina, Andalusia. We specialize in the breeding of Iberian pigs. We are part of the National Association of Iberian Pigs, ISARIBER, and collaborate with them on genetic matters. Currently, we have a group of pregnant breeding sows. Prior to gestation, they were placed in controlled groups with boars to determine the parentage of the piglets. A week before giving birth, we move the sows to farrowing barns, where they spend around 40 to 45 days with the piglets. This is a semi-extensive operation where the animals spend most of their time in the pasture, consuming natural resources. Occasionally, when needed, we provide them with feed.
The Iberian pig is raised in the dehesas, vast areas of forests and pastures, which allows them to consume acorns and other natural resources like grass. This diet results in meat with unique flavors and aromas, thanks to the monounsaturated fatty acids present in the acorns.
What we're seeing here is the Iberian pig's pasture, which is used for the production of 100% Iberian acorn-fed ham. This breed adapts very well and is typically raised in open fields to make the most of natural resources. These animals are utilizing all the resources of the pasture until September to October.
I am Agustin Berguilos Cadenas, in charge of Iberian pig genetics and a qualifying technician within the association. Behind me, there's a group of breeding animals that are part of the reproduction system of this collaborative farm. As Jamie explained earlier, these farms generate an assessment report with a series of indexes, such as the maternal index of piglets or the overall indexes. All these parameters are endorsed by the Extremadura regional government through a recently implemented project. We derive the maternal index through a selection of the mother's behavior, for which we gather all the data provided by the breeder from the mating of all the breeding animals. The lots consist of one male for every 15 females through natural mating. The data is collected according to the association's timelines. This data is used to create a bloop, which then gives us a maternal index indicating the mother's qualities. On the other hand, there's the piglet index, which assesses the aptitude and growth of animals at early ages. For this purpose, breeders weigh the animals at weaning, during the first weighing, and a second weighing around 75 days plus or minus 15 days. Using this data, another bloop is created. With these two main data points, a report is prepared, and we have reliable information about the breeding animals, which enables us to achieve genetic improvement in order to obtain the best Iberian pigs. In this manner, we also ensure that crossbreeds have low consanguinity to avoid genetic issues in upcoming litters. We guide breeders on which females and males can be crossed. This breeding program is endorsed by the ministry.
The group of pigs down there is intended for fattening, while the ones back here are genetically selected with the lowest possible consanguinity value, as we are a collaborative farm. This means that, thanks to our genetics, we provide data to the association regarding piglet birth weights, birth rate, number of piglets per litter. All of this requires a lot of work behind the scenes.
The breeding process of the Iberian pig is meticulous and requires patience. Once the pigs are slaughtered, the curing and aging phase begins. The hams and sausages undergo salting and are then hung in drying rooms where temperature and humidity play a crucial role in the transformation process. The quality of hams and shoulders is certified through their labeling. Legislation dictates that if it comes from a grain-fed Iberian pig, the label will be white. If it's from a pasture-fed Iberian pig, the label will be green. If it's from an acorn-fed Iberian pig, the label will be red. And if it's from a 100% acorn-fed Iberian pig, the label will be black.
The ultimate goal is to highlight the value of the 100% native breed through the logo that has been created for the commercialization of products obtained from these animals.